Okay, so in this video tutorial we're going to begin learning how to play Greensleeves, and that's going to help us use some of the notes that we have learnt on the 5th string. So we're going to start off, and this piece is in 3/4, so normally you'll see 3 beats or 3 counts in each bar. The very first bar though is a pickup bar. It only has 1 beat. You'll see there we have only 1 note in the very first bar, and it's a crotchet. So you can almost think that we have 2 beats missing because we normally would have 3 beats. And it's quite normal for music to begin with these pickup bars that don't have all of the beats. But because we have 2 beats missing, those 2 beats are then, if you like, transferred to the very last bar in the piece. So if you look at the very last line, you'll see that and the very last bar, you'll see that we have a minim, or a note that lasts 2 beats. So whatever notes are missing, or sorry, whatever beats are missing in the pickup bar are always made up for on the very last bar. So the first note is a D note. Okay, if you're writing this down on your book and pencil, so that D note is on your 4th string. Okay. Then the next note, as we move into bar number 1, so that very first bar is referred to as a pickup bar, and now the next bar is referred to as bar number 1. So bar number 1, we have a minim, which is an F note, if you're writing that down, and that F note is on the 3rd fret of our 4th string. So we allow that to ring for 2 beats. 1, 2. Then the next note is a G, if you want to just write that down, and that G note is on our 3rd string, and we're playing that open. So the pickup bar and bar number 1 go like this. And I'll just count the minim. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, bar number 2 has 3 crotchets in it, all lasting 1 beat each. And the notes are A, B, and A. So it's an A note on our 3rd string 2nd fret, a B note which is our 2nd string open, and then back to A on our 3rd string. So if I was to play the pickup bar and bars 1 and 2, it sounds like this. Okay, now moving on to bar number 3. Bar number 3 only has 2 notes, and these notes are G and E. G and E, and the G note is a minim, so it lasts for 2 beats, and it's on our 3rd string open. So we play that for 2 beats. So we go 1, 2, and then up to our E note, and it's the E note on the 4th string. So that's 4th string 2nd fret using your 2nd finger. So bar 3 goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if I was to play then the pickup bar and then bars 1 to 3, it goes like this. Okay, so bar number 4, the notes are C, D, and E. If you're writing these down, C, D, and E. This time we're playing our C note, which is on our 5th string 3rd fret. So we're playing our C note on the 5th string. Then we're playing our D note on the 4th string open. And then we're playing our E note, which is on the 2nd string, which is on the 4th string rather, 4th string 2nd fret. So C, D, E. Okay, and then so let's tell you what, let's just play our pickup bar and the first 4 bars just so we know how it sounds. And then we have our very last bar, which is an F note and a D note. The F note is on our 4th string, so that's the 4th string 3rd fret using our 3rd finger, and it lasts for 2 beats. So it goes like this. 1, 2. Then we just finish up with a D note on the 4th string, so we're playing our D note open. So the first line goes like this. Okay, so have a go playing the first line. Once you feel comfortable with that, I'll see you in the next video.